Where are we going?
Legoland.
Woohoo!
We're going to see our room. Let's go
Alright.
inside.
Wow, what room is this, Abang?
Ninjago!
Oh, okay, can you show me?
Look inside, the mirror is so cool.
The mirror is so cool. Whoa! What are the cool things about this room? Hi, Adik.
The maze.
The maze.
It's,
Oh, I've never seen it before.
it's a maze in a room, and it has some swords. And also, there's a cute dragon here.
Yay!
And there's a dragon egg over here. The dragon is big.
Ooh, Abang, what's inside here?
Oh, this is.
Is a treasure hunt?
Yes, I want to do the treasure hunt now.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. It says how many throwing stars you see on the wall. I guess it's in the. Oh, yeah, it's in the bathroom.
You did it!
Wow! Wow! Look, there is Batman and there's Minecraft. I'll build my Minecraft set first.
Umur dia berapa? Umur dia 6 plus, dua-dua 6. Okay.
Batman.
Wow, Adik, you got Batman?
I will show Daddy.
Okay, go show Daddy.
Daddy, I got Batman.
Wow, Batman.
Oh! This thing's cool. Pretty cool though. Hey, where's Steve? Where is Steve? Hello guys, I finally finished the Lego and I arranged it like this and the cake is on top of the bamboo.
Abang, where are we going?
Downstairs to dance.
Dance, okay.
You also can join this dance, okay? Ready? Stomp your feet. Hey.
How was it?
Good!
Did you like the dance?
Yes!
Okay, where are we going next?
Theme park!
Yay! Let's go!
Okay.
So, where are we?
In the Legoland theme park!
Yay! Let's go inside. Whoa, what's this?
And bamboo elephant with the hat! Ah, so fun! Come follow me guys! Look! There's Spider-Man! It's not my brother guys! Okay.
Spider-Man?
No, there's reindeers!
Reindeer! Yay!
I'm gonna go here. Woo! Yeah.
Abang, look at me dance. bye, boys. Here?
To view the whole city and also make sure that my hair is not sweaty anymore.
Because there's aircon here.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Monster! Monster!
Monster? What in the world?
It's an invisible monster! Wow, I can see everything here. Look, oh, the hotel!
Oh, that's the hotel. What else can you see, Abang?
Ninjago!
What's that?
Ninjago!
Ninjago.
Wait, can you see the water park? I can see that horse right there.
That's the water park. Yes, you're right.
Where's the water park? Oh,
Eh?
there! I see the water park. Yeah, the water park is over
And there's the castle, the dragon castle.
Yeah.
That we're gonna go with Ali.
But I'm not gonna go to this side. I want to go to another